Okay, so this next exercise is an incredibly valuable exercise for everyone, and especially for people who have a lateral curvature in their spine, also known as scoliosis. I happen to believe that scoliosis is absolutely reversible, and so this can be a tool to do that. Now, this is the side plank, and we are going to apply all of the concepts that we've already learned to this exercise. So you've already learned this exercise, and all we're doing is we're putting our body in a position that allows gravity to act on us in a different direction. It's going to be acting on us through this plane. And so we're staying connected to our anchors. We can start with the initial progression of on our knees. So you're going to have your knees bent a little bit, and the pressure is going to go through your knees, and I'm on my elbow here. And instead of coming up and down sideways, which can cause a little bit of shearing in the spine, I start with my hips back, and I kind of come forward like I'm bridging forward. I'm bridging up. Pubic bone forward. Breathing into my lower back, and keeping my rib cage connected to my pubic bone. And as I come down back to avoid that shearing of the spine that can happen if you're just going side to side like that. That's not quite a natural motion. Now, if you want to progress this exercise, you can go to your feet. I'm going to have you put the front foot forward and the back foot behind, so it's kind of like a tandem stance. And then you're going to apply the same concept of bridging forward up into the exercise. Staying connected, pubic bone forward, rib cage connected, breathing into my lower back. And trying to hold it as long as you can.